Looking to improve your hip internal and external rotation, as well as get some core activation, this is the exercise for you. Really simple. We're gonna lie on our back and grab a stick. You're gonna have one leg extended. We're gonna flex the other leg up to hip level. We're gonna press our stick against it. The key here is to keep hips and shoulders nice and square. From this position, I'm gonna push away from my stick at the same time as pulling my knee in for 10 seconds. I'm gonna hold that position. At the end of my 10 seconds, I'm then going to internally rotate. So I'm going to move the lower limb out to the side, trying to keep my leg again nice and straight, heel in line with the knee. And then I'm going to go the opposite direction into external rotation the whole time here. I'm keeping this pressure and tension on the strip. Try this for sets of 10 seconds, try 3 times through, and I'm telling you, your hips will feel like butter afterwards. Enjoy. So Kyla's going to try and pull that knee as hard as she can towards the face while using her massive guns to push it away from her. It's no laughing, as hard as she can. We're doing 10 seconds. That's waking up hip flexors and abs. Relax. Good. So she's got a 10-second rest, and then we're going to create about 70% of that tension, and she's going to work the outer portion of her heel, so her heel bone, she's going to try and push in here. All right, so let's push that for 10 seconds now, hard as you can. Push, pull, and out into internal rotation. Yeah, try and relax the foot a wee bit. Yeah, there you go, Kyla. Hard, hard, hard. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, back into the middle. Guys, there's no earthquake, don't worry. The shaking is all coming from Kyla. And again, 60-70% tension, and then into external rotation. Push, push, push. Bring that inside of the ankle. Yeah, hold, hold, hold. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back into the midline.